are going to gold class tonight to watch Ocean's 8. Yeah. Oh, my flash is on. You did not look happy in that. Chocolate for tonight. I'm setting up for the video that we're gonna film today. We're filming a mukbang today, so mukbang, I don't know what they're called. So I've gotten ready and I'm just gonna wait for everyone to come. Oh no, I didn't do it. We ordered our burgers and now we're going to go pick them up to film our mukbang or bong, whatever it's called. I'm in your way, sorry. And everyone's meeting us at home. We just filmed whatever it's called. Mukbang. Holly's a grot. Like, how the hell do you manage that?
Sorry.
Yeah.
No, it's food. It's food. Lick it off the ground. No, I'm not. I'm your friend.
Hey
girls. Hey sisters.
Wait, let's flip the screen. I just ate your hair. We're watching a scary movie.
It's been alright, but
I'm not.
I know you're just being a crazy bitch. I'd stay cool.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna shut it on her.
Like your weight on your shoulders.
Is that a gun?
No, I can't.
It's week 2 of the holidays and I haven't filmed anything. It's a Wednesday and I have netball training tonight. Oh god, I'm dead. We went bowling. Okay, so we went bowling. I'm really bad at bowling.
Wait. We went for dinner.
Yeah.
We went bowling.
Yeah.
I came first.
You won.
I won.
I came last. I was winning at the start though.
You thought you were good.
The first round.
Little did you know.
Little did I know. I was shit and got a bowl every round.
I got like 5 spares. Literally 5 spares. I got so many it wasn't even fair.
And I got 0 spares and like 10 gutter bowls.
Yeah. You saw the love of your life. You wanted to marry.
With braids.
You
yeah.
actually wanted to marry him.
That was crazy.
I would have married him, but you saw him first.
So dibs.
And then, first we tried to put on the Victorious theme song
and that didn't work.
on the thing and it didn't work.
But like, my name on the bowling was Tori.
And mine was Beck.
And now we're gonna watch Victorious.
We're gonna watch the Kesha episode. But
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Get ready. Subscribe.
We're trying...
Show the thing.
Watching
Victorious.
and having clinkers. We are trying...
Ooh.
Wait, we are trying
Ooh, focus.
ASMR.
Oh, it's like bubbly.
It's bubbly.
It's like...
That's good.
That's amazing.
That's amazing. Okay.
Oh shit. Thank you.
It tastes like just marshmallows.
Mm.
And then like a biscuit.
I think that's literally it.
Yeah, and chocolate. I give it 8 marshmallows out of 10.
Yeah. I give it. Thank you. Ooh, look at that. It's really like. I'm actually pissing myself. I give it an 8.5.
Marshmallows out of 10.
Mhm.
So, hello. We're waiting for the love of our lives to show up.
AKA the wallpaper guy.
If they're not what we thought they were,
No.
but it's fine.
Yes, that's what we're doing now.
Bye.
Don't hate, just
Spread love. No. Thought it wasn't there, but it's fine.
it's all
Turns out it wasn't in the fridge.
Friday night, I'm going out for dinner with one of my really good friends, and we're going to see a movie. Goodbye. Love you, Isaac.
And you want to try and steal my car?
Bought a new car.
Woohoo!
I'm going to the football tonight to see Carlton and St Kilda.
Yeah, cool.
I'm on it. I'm going on.
It's real, by the way.